In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add clickable links here on Instagram. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But obviously, clickable links are very helpful because people can actually tap on them and go straight to a website. There's a couple of hundred ways that you can add them. Here's a few of them. Obviously, first things first, open up Instagram, and what you're going to want to do is go to your profile and then actually tap edit profile just above your post. And from here, if you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see a links option. Go ahead and select that and hit add external link and type or paste in whatever URL you would like. You can add a title if you want and then press done. And now anyone who does go to your profile is going to see those links right in there. As you can see, I have mine right here. Another option is to actually add it to your story. To do this, tap on that plus button, go to story. And once you do have your post ready, what you're going to want to do is actually tap on the sticker icon up at the top and choose link within here. And then from here, you just want to paste in whatever that URL is. And when you hit done, that sticker is going to be placed on your story. Place it wherever you would like, and then publish it. And just like that, you've now added clickable links on Instagram through your bio or through stories. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If you do have any questions though, don't hesitate to ask us down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.